Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to reset the Copilot app settings to default on Windows 11. So, if you are experiencing persistent issues with the Copilot app on your PC, resetting its settings to the default state can help you resolve the problem. This process restores the app to its original state, removing any custom configurations. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC, and then you have to select the Apps tab in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose the Installed Apps option, and then you have to locate the Copilot app and click on the triple dot icon located right next to it. And then you have to choose the Advanced options in the menu. Under the Advanced options menu, scroll down until you see the Reset section. Here you'll find two options, Repair and Reset. Now you have to select the Reset option to restore the app settings to the default state. Now a confirmation prompt will appear. You have to click on Reset again to proceed and confirm the action. Windows will now reset the Copilot app. This process might take a few moments. Once it is completed, the app will be restored to its default configuration. Now you can open the Copilot app to check if the issues have been resolved. Hopefully, it should be gone for good. And that's about it. Resetting the Copilot apps to its default settings is a straightforward way to resolve app-related issues on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.